Hey, this is Clay with Scenario, and we're going to talk about projects. So, if you have upgraded past the free demo tier, then you are going to be able to go to the project screen, project view. You'll see that your profile button has disappeared from here, and now when you click this, you have some additional options. You can duplicate the diagram, you can save its image, or you can close the diagram. So if you click close diagram, or if you want to go faster, if you just drag down from the toolbar here, it's going to take you to the projects view. So you can see that when you start off, you're just going to have one demo project, and that comes by default with one demo list, which you can access from the demo diagram and your demo diagram here. But now you can add more diagrams if you want to by clicking more diagram, or you can add a whole new project. Again, pressing and holding or double clicking on something will let you rename it. And when you create a project, it comes with a diagram, not necessarily a list. If you want to create a list, add a new list. So we'll get more into lists in a different video. When you have a project here, you can't delete or archive the demo project, but with a project you can delete it. So I'm just going to delete that. And then you see, maybe if I decide I didn't want to delete it, I can just undo that. The one thing that you can't undo is creating a project, but yeah. So in a project you have info. This is where you can do more. Customization. You can set the project dates. You have a few different options here. You have a single, multiple, or range. So if it's single, obviously you're just going to be setting a single date here. If you want to do multiple, that will actually allow you to multi-select some dates like that. Or if you want to do a range, it'll have you setting a beginning and ending, and then choosing those. Genre is completely optional. Well, so are dates, really. Dates are optional. You don't have to use them, but they will show up over here if you do. Genres, just pick among any of these. This will help you later if you want to sort or filter by genre. And then for notes, you can just add as many notes here as you want. It's completely up to you. For your crew, you can add departments and positions. So with departments, let's say we want to call this the electric department, and then within the positions, you would have gaffer, you would have best boy, and let's say we also have an electric, if I can type. You could also see that when I was typing, it's going to show me anything I've used already, so you don't have to type out long ones if you don't want to. Now, once you have these positions here, you can see you can set specific dates for them if they're different from the dates of the project. Maybe sometimes you have to have somebody filling in, that type of thing. And you can reorder these if you want to. It's up to you. You'll also notice that if I were to make a duplicate of this project, everything here would get copied over. So we have a list, a diagram, we have an electric department, and we have some stuff here. Let's say this is a music video. And if I then go to duplicate this, we're going to have test copy. All it's going to do is add copy to the name. The rest of it is going to be all the same. Now, what's helpful here when you're getting into what you actually have made, and let's just do an example of showing a music video here. So now only these two are showing because the demo project was not a music video. Now, what's helpful is you can actually copy this stuff. So if I wanted to copy this, what that's going to do is it's just going to copy it into the clipboard of my app. And what I can do at that point is paste it anywhere I want to. Let's say I want to paste it into some notes, and now I just have this. You can see it's pasted all those things. And then if I wanted to paste it into, and I can do the same thing with crew. That's my point here. If I go to my crew, I can copy the crew, and I can paste it into here. You can see I don't have anything here yet, so now if I want to actually add crew, this is where it gets fun. So first and foremost, I can just type somebody in. Let's say this is test crew, and that's really all I need. Is test crew. I'll add that crew member. Now that crew member is added, but you saw there's something else down there. As a reminder, this is the test user. That's the name of this scenario account. And what I've done is I've allowed other users to add me to their projects. What this means is that if I wanted to, first of all, let's try something here. Let's do test crew. This is going to look for anybody that is that's been used here or is discoverable. So let's actually make test crew this crew member, and up here let's add myself and make myself test user. So let's remove that crew member and add test user. So now I am actually the gaffer of this project, and if there were other scenario users who have accounts who have allowed people to find them, you would be able to add them here to your crew. And this project, if they have the right subscription, this project will show up for them. It will only show them the info for now, but it will show up in their list of projects. So those are the basics of how projects work, and have fun with them.